Speaking of 13 to 1,000, let's do example A. We're going 1, 2, 3. I will take you through the first one. You guys do the second one for me. Okay, I'm just going to do the algebra part, and the triangle part will come next. Can I get a brave soul who has the great power of the calculator to tell me what 26 squared is equal to, please? Aiden, go.
676.
Oh my goodness. Okay, Aiden's out. Can somebody please be brave? When I mean somebody, I mean everyone in the class reading this. And don't feel like you're in a race with Aiden for this. Okay, sorry, Aiden, or Aiden, about this, you too. For this, everyone should be able to do these calculations. If you're not able to do 26 squared in your calculator, you should be raising your hand and saying, I don't know how to do it, or I can't. Caleb, question or answer?
No, answer.
35 squared is what?
1,245.
Okay. Is anyone unable to get 1,225 or more for me? Does anyone need to borrow a calculator today? I mean, that's what I have to say. I'm sorry. Okay, so here's the tricky part now. This is like an algebra question. A squared plus 676 is equal to 1225. How do you solve for A? What's the first step? And I didn't know you put it on the calculator.
C squared minus B squared.
No. It could be, yes, could be. Well, let's just use this equation here. What am I going to do? Go ahead.
Don't you make this 676?
Good. Now, sorry, no, I didn't mean to say no. Okay, but if you start to make up all these different weird equations, there's a lot of stuff to remember. Okay, so just, I'm going to do it like this. Okay, can I get a brave soul to do 1225 minus 676? Alistair, go. And I heard somebody say square root, and they're exactly right. I don't know what that is in my head. 3.4? Now, if you're, take a second and make sure you get that number. So you guys will have to do this. By the way, if this is on your test, you'll get a calculator for this part. Okay, right? So if I'm not going to make you do the square root of 549 in your head. Okay, that's just cool. Okay, good. This is coming back a little bit. Yes? Recording? I don't even remember if I'm or not. Yes, I am. Okay. Let's do the next one here. I want you guys to try this one for me, if you would. I'll make you guys do these two. Example 4 and 5. Oh. Okay, so do both these for me, please. 4 is going to look like this. 5 is going to look like this. Okay, 5 is a mess. Don't worry about 5 yet. Okay, pause the video. Get 4 done, and then we'll deal with 5. The thing you always have to think on these ones, the only spot that's important is the hypotenuse. Okay, so for example 4, similar than Aiden, tell me, or Aiden, tell me which one is the hypotenuse, please. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
X.
X, okay. So it's going to be the two short sides, it's going to be the long sides. It's going to be 10 squared plus 11 squared is equal to x squared. Okay. Can I get a second volunteer, please, to show off the calculator skills? Yeah, go ahead.
100
Yeah.
plus 121 equals x.
Great. So that's 221 is equal to x squared. Okay, how much finance you get to x, please? Karina, you're in the zone, go ahead.
Just square root, and now we import it into the
Okay, can somebody tell me why I can look at that and tell that 14.8 has a good chance of being right? Go ahead. Very good. Okay, right? And since these two are the two shortest sides, x has to be the biggest side. So it has to be 14.8. I want to make that point because I see a lot of interesting things when I do these questions. But you have to remember always that time is the biggest. Anyway, question.
Can you round to 14.9?
What's the answer? 14.8.
26.
Oh, goodness gracious me. Yes, please round properly.
Do you want us to round it?
I'll tell you guys, if I don't say you can round as much as you want, okay, but like 14.86 shouldn't be 14.8, it should be 14. So unless you write it out with all the decimals on. Okay, example 5 is a little bit more fun than the last one. Okay, Aiden, can you give an insight over how I'd solve example 5?
Yeah, to do the bottom triangle first and the middle one.
Very good, okay. So what we're going to do is here, we're going to solve this triangle first, and that'll give you the y, which will be the bottom part. Why? Haha. Pourquoi would that help me? Karina, go.
Because for the second triangle, you only have one side, but if you get the middle line, you'll have two sides so you can figure out
Very
x.
good. Okay. So can I get a brace over? Tell me how to solve y, please. No, go.
8 squared plus 7 squared.
Good. So we're going to say then y squared equals 8 squared plus 7 squared. I'll do that in my head because I want to get one more on. We're not going to time. You can't do it like that. 10.8-ish. 10.6. And that was very fast. I'm going to take a step back for that. Okay, questions on fears and where that one came from? So can we go ahead?
Why did you call it y squared?
Oh, because like this is okay. Good question. Think if this is like this is a right triangle here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I can't. Hold on, please. Okay, this is a right triangle here, right? So I'm just using Pythagorean theorem here. This is y. So remember, it's like this squared plus this squared equals this squared. So like 8 squared plus 7 squared equals y squared.
Does it matter if you call it like cube or something?
What's that?
Can you call it cube?
They got you if you want it. Yes. All right, so what I'm going to do here now, you don't have to do this, but for myself, I'm not good at visualizing things in math. So I'm going to rewrite my triangle here sort of like this. There's 15, there's x, there's 10.6. Okay. Now you don't have, okay guys, one second please. Now you don't have to do that. One second, I'm not picking on you. I need someone else here. Is that a question or an answer? Yes.
When you have a decimal, do you want us to just do one decimal point or do two decimals?
You can do 2 decimal points if you want. And if I don't say, you can do as far as you want. If I say around 1 decimal, that's not what it is. Okay, so can I get a brave volunteer here? The volunteer telling me how to solve for x. Oh goodness, it's 4 people in the whole class know. This is ridiculous. Nick, go.
So when you do x squared
Yeah.
equals 10.6 squared plus 15 squared.
Close, but incorrect. I'm sorry, Nick. I just wait. Bailey, do you want to help me out? Tell me why that was incorrect.
Because 15 is c.
Remember, this is going to be along the side. That's going to be by itself, right? So it's got to be 15 squared equals x squared plus 10.6 squared. Now, it doesn't have to be always, because that's the trouble people get into with Pythagorean theorem, right? They always think that they're unknowns by itself. It doesn't have to be. Now, I'm going to do some crazy math in my head. Do you want to see it? This is incredible. 10.6 squared, I'm going to tell you, is 113. Somebody want to tell me how I instantly knew that with no calculator? Bailey.
Because it's on the other side.
It's on the other side. Very good. We knew that y squared was, this squared is 113 over here. Right? So it should be exactly the same number. 15 squared, here's some more tremendous math. Do that's 225. That's just because I'm a math teacher. That's why I knew that one. Luke, I'd like to be brave and solve for x, please. What do we do?
We do 225 minus 113 equals x squared.
That's 112, which is x squared. That should be very close to 10.6. Again? Oh my goodness, wow.
5, 8.
Whoa. Okay, I guarantee you'll see that on your first quiz. I love the double triangle question. I don't know about what time to keep throwing that out. Pythagoras is in another textbook here, so I'm going to try some questions. Okay, Alistair, come where that go?
There's no time to
I'm going to write the homework down for this. I'll write it all down and I'll take some off whenever I need to. Even if the bell rings, I'm still going to keep going. Okay, so we have.
That's 3,
3, 4, 5 it is.
Okay, 2, 3. On yours, 3 on.
They're all.
Homework by now. Wait till you see, okay, wait till, you guys should come by like this class and wander by at like 12:30. And you'll see calculus and you'll see the kids will be like attacking the homework. I'll say, here's your question. Oh, can we have more, Mr. Sadler? Like, it's awesome when you get up to that. You know? Maybe they don't take away more. I don't think they take away more. But